Alright, so we stopped for gas, and it's now saying we'll get there at 3:44. I don't remember what it said before. That Safeway, we got Safeway gas, and man, that was a crazy gas station.
But it was also 25 cents cheaper.
It was 25 cents cheaper than the Shell and the Chevron on back at the corner. But, whew.
And, like, there's a guy who, like, wouldn't let us go forward. He,
Yeah.
Like, got them.
So all of the pumps had a line, which is not a big deal. And we pulled behind this one guy with a trailer, and he
finish the traffic circle.
He was literally smoking at the pump.
I-90 East ramp to Spokane.
And finished pumping his gas and was there for another 5 minutes before we gave up and just switched to a different line. And then he was there for another, like, probably 5 or 6 minutes. And it wasn't like he was waiting for anyone. He was just sitting there to sit there.
Yeah, that guy is a good candidate for an electric vehicle. Because first of all, he won't blow himself up.
True.
Second of all, he wants to wait a while at a
Exit the
pump.
traffic circle onto the ramp.
Alright, so we've got a full tank of gas. We'll probably tap back in.
Half a pack of smokes.
Head back on the freeway. We'll probably stop for a potty break in Ellensburg.
Continue on I-90.
Like we're back in Olympic, but really we're just on the freeway. Welcome to the pass with the wispy clouds. Yeah, Snoqualmie Pass. Got about an hour to the other side, but at least we can see more than we saw on the way out here. The way out here was just clouds. I'm so glad we're not going that direction.
Yep, we just saw it was like completely stopped back there.
Yeah, definitely more people going to Seattle than Spokane. I can't imagine why. So, everything's busy here. There's probably a bathroom. Oh my god, that... I don't want to wait in a line that's 7 cars long. Is everything going to be 7 cars long? I don't think it's worth waiting in that line for like, corn dogs. So we found downtown Ellensburg, which in fairness is kind of cute.
Avocado toast.
I like avocado toast.
Not for that price.
$10 for avocado toast is not that bad.
No wonder they don't have houses.
What?
$10 for avocado toast?
$10? That's honestly super cheap, Phil. Our hotel wanted $9 for a breakfast sandwich. Why are we going this way? Because we saw that there's a fast food thing up here where ostensibly we can go to the bathroom and get food.
And it's far away from the...
And it's far away from the main drag, so it isn't scary. Because, man, I've never seen so many cars going in and out of, like, 5 fast food places. Is it literally across the street from that crappy Mexican restaurant that we ate at last time? Yes. Yes, it is.
You are just...
I am what?
All roads lead to here, I guess.
All roads lead to University in Maine.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not mad about that. Well, we're definitely not going back to that Mexican place. Because we don't have 45 minutes to wait for food that's going to melt my face.
If we wanted to melt your face, we could do it easier at Jack in the Box.
Really?
Yeah.
Do they really have anything spicy there?
Hot pop. You get the jalapeno poppers and eat them as soon as they come to you.
I don't like jalapeno poppers.
I know, but they're burning hot. That's how you melt your face.
Yeah, this is much more doable. And plus we can go in and order.
Yeah, because it says fully open.
So where's the
door?
entrance? Oh, I guess we have to cross over. Weird. Okay, bye.
We just went to Jack. Got some food. I can get this off the dashboard. She got like a box of chicken nuggets, bites,
It's
things.
popcorn, chicken, and fries. I figured we could share it.
Oh. Well, okay. And we could both get drinks. And I got the poppers, and she got the egg rolls for the road.
See, that was so much more pleasant than going to one of those zoo-like ones that were on the strip.
Oh my god! But they're making bank,
Yeah, they are printing money. They have more money than they have French fries.
which is a problem.
Yeah, that's a problem for everyone. But the thing is that I don't like those really stressful experiences like that.
No, it's true. That lady was so good. I should have caught her name to put her on the
You can just say 5-star survey, great job, whoever served.
young lady with braces.
I didn't notice she had braces.
Oh, she had one of the retainers, like the line, but it wasn't like attached to the teeth.
Man, you really paid closer attention than I did.
She smiled at you, and I just noticed the glint.
I didn't notice. I just noticed that she was very nice and good at her job and explained everything well.
Yeah. Good customer service post-pandemic is good.
Yeah.
A rarity.
I think she's a manager. She
I
was
hope
holding
so.
herself like a manager.
I hope so. That or she's the most underpaid.
I don't know.
Hey, look, it's a mobile bathroom.
That is amazing. Is that just a potty?
What else would that be? You can't sleep in that.
That's a vampire RV. Nandor's just in the back. Let me out! Guillermo, I did not mean this. Gizmo.
Yeah, but he's like, it's daylight, master.
I don't care. This isn't dignified.
I've never seen one of those.
Me either.
All right, we're going back on the road. Tap you in later. Welcome to beautiful Moses Lake.
Okay. Still have about an hour 45.
We've lost about 15 minutes, but it's okay.
We'll probably go to the bathroom again, too.
Moses Lake waterfront in a moment. It's coming up.
Might be blocked by the RV, though.
Yeah, he had to change lanes. Oh, so you can see it on the side and RV. Oh, you can see it on that side. And now you can see it on this side right after the RV. This is the Lake of Moses. I always think of it as Moses Lake because in the middle, it's parted for I-90. That's Moses' Lake, it's parted in the middle. Still driving, but I just want to look at all these lines. Very organized farming. Still driving.
Hasn't been that long since the last time you checked in.
Hey, look, it's Richville. It's so tiny. Teeny tiny Richville. Where's my hand? There you go. Tiny Richville.
Smash it.
Swish, 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 swish. Devastated Richville.
Leave one potty because we need to make a potty stop.
Pick that potty up for you. Boop.
Thank you.
And we're back on the road.
I'm also grateful that Phil got gas while I was going to the bathroom so that I don't have to worry about that on my way to work tomorrow.
Yeah, we are top brimming full.
We just bought that pillow at IKEA.
We're back in Spokane.
Beautiful Spokane.
Spokane. Just got a few 14 minutes to go. And we're gonna be home. Yay. Home.
I don't want to go grocery shopping. I
Hey, look,
should have done
Montana
the
and
online
Montana.
order. Why didn't I put it in online order?
I don't know. Why does anyone do anything?
You
Deep
think
word
you have a
with
good
the-
nap?
I did. Oh, I napped. It was very good.
Oh, they know.
Oh,
I
you
got a little bit of nap
filmed
footage.
me?
Nap cam.
Oh no. So before we got home, he said, "Let's run an errand."
Well, I bought that gimbal that didn't work with my camera, and I was like, Coles is on the way home. Hey, the Flixbus. That's the one that goes to Seattle. We could have ridden that home.
Greyhound or Northwestern, which is the Greyhound of over here, does that too.
What?
Flexbus. There's also one called Northwestern that does it, and they're the traditional one.
Isn't that just Greyhound?
Yeah. Well, yes.
Good story.
Welcome to the film. Lame story
You
portion.
can show that awful
Oh yeah.
thing.
They knew what they were doing.
Of course they knew what they were doing. But I mean, it's a trampoline park. What demographic are they trying to appeal to?
Fathers
dudes?
with money? I don't know.
I don't think money doesn't always equate with class, so.
High lifted trucks are an example of that.
Those high lifted trucks pay our mortgage. Kohl's is open today, right?
Oh boy. So the answer is they are in fact open today.
I might not have a working gimbal, but I have 3 bags of free Skittles because you get $5 Kohl's cash every time you do an Amazon return. And 3 bags of candy in my area is exactly, well actually I got 23 cents left. And I was like, I don't need it. And the lady's like, well, just in case you do. So, 3 bags of Skittles. Let's go home. As you can tell from the the overgrown grass, we're home. I don't know if you can hear it, but if you can, that's the dulcet sounds of the shop vac. Why are we needing the shop vac? Because we came home to a water heater leak. I had unpacked all of our clothes, had a load in the wash, was putting away the luggage, and Phil said, huh, my feet are wet. And we had to move half of the stuff out of our utility room. The plumber's en route. We used this guy 4 years ago, and he was very reasonable and honest, so I'm hoping that the fact that we're calling him at 7 o'clock p.m. on Memorial Day, he's gonna have pity on us. But I'll let you know. Alright, while we're waiting for the plumber, I figured I would show you what we got at the Japanese market that wasn't food that we ate immediately. So we got crispy takoyaki balls. I'm hoping that I like the chip version better because it'll be a different texture. I didn't like the gooey texture, but I liked the flavor. Phil got this Indian cashmere spinach because he loves curry. I got some furikake seasoning because I didn't pick up any in Hawaii and I wanted some. Phil got this Kung Pao noodle bowl. He loves his noodles. I got this wasabi powder because the thing is, I use wasabi so infrequently when making sushi that it doesn't make sense for me to get the little tube. But if this is powder, I can just add water. And there was a recipe that I looked up that needed agar-agar, and I was like, I don't remember what the recipe was, but I'm sure I'll find it again. And this was like $1. Got 2 things of eel sauce because we love eel sauce. We got organic crystal noodle. It's a 6 kind of mushroom soup. I'm super excited about that. Uncle Roger would be proud. We got the essence of umami. It's just straight up MSG. We want to try it in cooking. Got some tonkatsu ramen. Got some fancy shin black beef bone broth. We got some rice noodles. These are those clear glass noodles. Excited to try those out. Green tea latte for Phil. If there's one thing that man loves, it's green tea lattes. And also just some snackies. Pocky. It's really hard to find Pocky that doesn't have chocolate, but the matcha one does not have chocolate. And I wanted to try Pretz, and so the sweet corn was the only one that was in the small box, and I didn't want to buy the big box in case I don't like it. So most of what we bought at IKEA was really practical. I got a new trash can, we got some new toilet brushes, but I wanted to show you the fun things that we got. I got a new IKEA bag, and it's a different size than I've ever seen before. This one is called the Brattleby, and it's like lunchbox shopping bag size, and I love it. And I got some Swedish jammy dodgers, basically. And look at this little bag! It's so small! That was an impulse purchase. And 2 more of these collapsible reusable bags. I really like these, and I use mine all the time. Pretty small haul. We got a reusable bag. I'm also a little bit bummed because I got in a pair of earrings that I can't seem to find. I have some postcards that I'm going to be mailing out shortly. I ran out of stamps. Traditional magnets. This one is the whole Olympic National Park because I thought that was fun because of how many different places we went to. Hurricane Ridge because we went there. And this one is just a sign for the city of Forks. These are the earrings that I did find. We got these on Hurricane Ridge and they're very cute. Phil's traditional pin collection. Olympic, Hurricane Ridge, and Olympic. The reason why it's 2 Olympics is we went to one gift shop first that had that one, which was nice, but the other 2 made more sense. We also got this for the girls. We only got one because you know how it is. We can only put one on at a time. And then when we went to Pike Place, we found these adorable little clay flowers. The daffodils I'm keeping, and the sunflowers we're giving to Mom. And if I ever find my adorable Bigfoot earrings, I'll show you. In case you've ever wondered what a $2,200 souvenir looks like, that's it. So the floor is dry. It doesn't look great, but this carpet's always looked gross. I don't know who picked it. This is the color that... So, you know Phil's colorblind. And I let him pick the color in one room in the house totally without any input from me, and he chose the most violent shade of blue that he could because he said he liked it. But anyway, just wanted to show off our very expensive souvenir that we'll be paying off for the next 3 years. So I did want to show you the rocks that we got. This is them all cleaned up and just out on some pavement. Some are definitely agates, most are not. There's a lot of jasper in there and just some really interesting rocks. I haven't gotten to tumbling them yet because the motor on my rock tumbler decided to go kaput. I suspect it may have had some injury from it was actually being held right outside of that water heater before it went. So, regardless of the cause, I need to get a new motor, but I have lots of beautiful rocks, and one can never have enough rocks. Good rocks. I also did want to show these are my beautiful flowers from Pike Place. And it's been... We bought them yesterday morning at about 11 a.m., 10, 11 a.m. So it's looking pretty. Everything smells incredible. Need to add more water, probably cut the stems, but man, this arrangement is stunning. I love it so much.